In this section, I will demonstrate how you can log in into local Bitcoin plus P2P exchange system. When you open the exchange first time, it will ask for a flow private key. Remember, I am working in a testnet environment. You probably will be working on a mainnet environment and a production environment. So you must provide a valid mainnet flow private key. If you do not know or have any idea about flow private key, you can log into this section, head on to this section and generate a key pair for yourself. This is your flow address and this is your private key. Since I am working on a testnet environment, I will provide a testnet private key. In case you do not have any private key, you can just click OK and the system will generate a private key for yourself. But it is highly recommended that you create a key pair system for yourself, store it at a safer place, and then provide the private key here. Since I already have a private key for myself, I will provide that and I will click OK. The system is booting up. Your flow ID is recognized and you are logged into the system. Now second time if you refresh the page, you will notice that it didn't ask you for logging in. It's because the system now knows you. Now it is worth mentioning that you must use the same browser and the same device that you logged in for the system to recognize you. If you are using a different browser or a different system, then the system will again ask for a private key and you will have to provide the same private key that you provided here. That's because your private key is stored in the browser itself. So if you change the browser or the device, the system no longer can recognize you. So that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial.